Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with these delicious hot wings. Do y'all not see these hot wings? Oh my god. They're succulent, they're juicy, but they're not too saucy and they're not dry. They're the perfect medium for any hot wing lover. So if you want to know how to make these wings, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so you just want to start off with 3/4 of a pound to a pound and a half worth of chicken wings cut in half. I love my chicken wings cut in half. They're easier to fry and they're easier to cook and they're easier to eat. So yeah, I'm just gonna add lemon juice to that just to make it more succulent, more juicy. The lemon juice tends to hold in the flavor to me. Then I'm just going to add all of my seasonings. I really didn't use measurements this time. The wings are typically like preference. I'll tell you all the seasonings I use and what I recommend for you to use, but your discretion is advised. And then you just want to mix them up. So I'll be the first person to tell y'all I do not like no light skinned chicken wings, honey. If they ain't dark skinned, they ain't mine. And I ain't talking about frying them either. They gotta have some sort of color. So I went back in and I added some more seasoning to it because I realized that wasn't enough. And off camera I also added some Jamaican hot pepper sauce along with some sazon. A package of sazon will take you a long way when it comes to chicken. You could just use the sazon alone, honey. Okay, so this is what it was looking like before. Now let's hit it in the frying pan and show y'all after, honey. Check this out, check this out, check this out. Check this out, check this out, bow, okay? So you just want to add all of your chicken wings to the pot. So after you add all of your chicken into the pot, you want to cook them until each side is crisp. You want it to have that nice layer of crispy skin on the outside, but don't mind it if it's still bleeding just a little bit when you take them out, because we're going to put them into a Dutch pot or any pot that you prefer and stick them in the oven. And what the oven does is it holds in the juices while also fully cooking them in the inside. So it's like your chicken is still going to be juicy, but it's going to be crunchy and it's going to be fully cooked. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to add all of the chicken to the pot and let that cook in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until I realize that every single piece is fully cooked in the middle. After your chicken finished cooking in the middle, it's going to look like this. You see it still look juicy and all of that, but you can see that it has that crunchy layer of skin. Now it's time for our hot wing sauce. You can get this hot wing sauce from any supermarket, any corner store. Well, if you live where I live, like the bodegos have everything. Or you can make your own wing sauce also. I make my own wing sauce sometimes when I have the time and I want them to taste a certain way. But I like the garlic hot wing sauce. You can make it, like I said, yourself, or you can buy it. So I'm just going to mix that in, and I'm going to pop that back into the oven for about another 10 to 12 minutes. You just want the sauce to dry up inside of the chicken because that's what give it that kapow. One thing I hate eating hot wings that have so much sauce and not enough flavor. But mine, it has the right amount of sauce that you know that they're still hot wings, but they're so flavorful. If you guys recreate these hot wings, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and while you're there, follow me. And also here on this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with some of your friends. We all love hot wings, so bye!